Hello viewers, welcome back to Queries Book. Do you want to know how to make high score in Dino game? Then watch the video till the end. First we need to connect to internet. Then in the top bar of your top search bar in Chrome browser, search Chrome /Dino /. You have to type this in your Chrome browser. It only works in Chrome browser to make high score like I shown in the video before. Then click enter. You will get into this page. Then you need to right click on it and click on inspect, or else you can also open this by clicking Ctrl Shift plus I. I am clicking on inspect now. You will get into this page. Something bigger code, something. You need not to get any code to make high score in this game, Dino game. Click on console and type down what I have shown here. Or else I will provide the code in the description below. You can just copy and paste it at the console over here. Then click enter. Then close this console and click spacebar to start the game. Then it starts going. Then it's your time to do this.